Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to adjust line spacing for Microsoft Word. So, say you have a document open with some text in Microsoft Word. You can simply go ahead and click on this text that you would like and head over to your formatting palette, and there's this little thing under alignment and spacing called line spacing. You can go from here for single space, 1.5 space, or double space. This is the quickest and easiest and most common spacing you'll need, but if you want to get a little more precise and you have something else in mind, you can then go to Format Paragraph here at the top, and then you'll also see a menu for line spacing down here. You can also select your single, 1.5, or double, or you can do exactly, and then you can do it by font size, and then you can adjust here to specifically whatever spacing you would like between your lines, and then click OK, and your document line that you're on will then adjust to that, and you'll see that none of these are highlighted. If you'd like to just do a certain section, you can highlight that, go back to it again, and then go to exactly again, and then adjust it to whatever you would like. And then you'll see how your font is adjusted to whatever you've changed it for.